Hey friends, I thought I would send you a quick update video today. As promised, I told you I was going to get the Unplugged Performance luxury coilover suspension, and I received it just this week, and it is going to be installed tomorrow by EV Detroit. I will be taking some videos at the install, taking some videos with the guys at EV Detroit. Really excited to do that and to get that uploaded on the channel. But today, since a lot of you are probably considering a product like this, whether it's for Mountain Pass Performance or Unplugged Performance, something to soften up the suspension, create a little adjustability. For some of you, you want to take the performance angle. For me, living in Michigan, I need to be able to adjust this thing and really soften it up for many of our roads here. So I wanted to show you what the box looks like and then show you what's in the box. I'm not going to do great detail, but I just want you to see what you should be able to expect when you order a setup like this. So when you open the box, the first thing you get is a fairly comprehensive install guide. It is a thick packet here, worth reading through if you're going to do it yourself. The instructions, from what I can see, are thorough enough that you will be able to install this yourself with the right tools in the right space in your garage. I'm going to enjoy partnering with EV Detroit on this one because I want an alignment when I'm done, and they're going to make sure everything's taken care of and are as particular as I am about this kind of thing. Look in the box. It looks like there's kind of a right and left almost split here in the way they designed it. So this here, and I like the pretty unplugged blue. This is the rear shock. And in this bag, it looks like a hat of some kind, or spring perch, potentially. Looks like some rings, some rub rings. The adjusting wrenches and knobs for the adjusters. Looks like a rear spring here. And the last piece in here is the entire front assembly. And again, it's got that pretty blue. And I'm looking at the springs here in particular, and I want to show you what they got on here. It looks like Swift Springs 100. Don't know what that means yet. I'm sure I'll figure it out at some point. But that's what we're running. And this other side down here, it's the same thing. Rear, front spring. Looks like perches or hats for spring placement or seating, and that's pretty much it. Again, really nice Swift springs for the luxury kit. I'm sure they look different. It looks like they are a linear spring in the luxury coilover kit as opposed to progressive. But really nice setup, really nice packaging, really nice simple box. And I'm going to take this down to EV Detroit and see what we can do with it. One of our objectives tomorrow is that we're going to lower the car by about 1/2 inch, and I'm going to see what that does to efficiency, and then probably dial this thing all the way soft. And I'm going to start there and then work my way back up, depending on how I like the ride. My guess with our roads here and the route that I drive a lot, which is 75 north to 69 to 96 out to past Grand Rapids, is it's pretty rough. And so my guess I'm going to need all that softness dialed in. But excited about this, and we'll update you more tomorrow and hopefully share a little bit about EV Detroit with all of you that are interested. Thanks so much. Have a great day.